everyone, welcome to the English learning video. So my name is Leonie Agostina Arik, and in this video I will explain all the materials we have studied during our second semester in the source English 2. So in this video will help you to understand the grammar topics that we have to cover, including different verb tense and modal verbs. So I hope this summary will help you to review the topics and prepares you well to the future lesson. So let's get started. In the meeting 1, we talk about source introduction. In our first meeting, we were introduced to the source structure. We discussed about class code and topics, attendance and participle rules, grading system, and the type of assessment and exam. So it is very important to understand the expectation and responsibility throughout the semester to success this source. And the meeting 2, we talk about simple present tense. So this simple present tense is used to describe habits or routines, general fact or universal truth, and the last is regular action or skills. The formula is positive, subject plus verbs 1, it add s or s for he, she, or it. And the negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1. And interrogative, we have do or does plus subject plus verb 1. So for example, positive, she goes to school every day. And the negative, for example, I don't like coffee. And for interrogative, for example, does he play football? Like that. So I will continue in the meeting 3. We talk about present progressive tense. So the present progressive tense, or actually also we call present continuous, is used to talk about action that are happening right now or around this time. So the formula of the present progressive tense is positive, subject, place, am or c, positive, subject plus am, is or are plus verb ing. So negative, subject plus am or c or are plus not plus verb ing. And for interrogative, I am or is or are plus subject plus verb ing. For example, a positive, I am studying English. So for negative, she's not watching TV. And the interrogative, are they playing football? So I will continue in the meeting 4 about simple past tense. So the simple past tense describe action that happened in the past and are not finished. The formula of the simple past tense for positive, subject plus verb 2. It's mean like past form. Negative, subject plus did not plus verb 1. So interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1. So for example, positive, she went to the market yesterday. And for negative, they did not visit their uncle. And for interrogative, did he watch the movie? So we should remember that in the negative and question form, we use verb 1 even though it talks about the past. So I will continue in the meeting 5, comparison about simple present versus present continuous. So in this meeting, we learn how to compare the simple present and present continuous tense. So the simple present is used for regular activities. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. So for present continuous, it's used for is used for action happening now. For example, I'm waking up right now. Or example compression, he drives to work every day. It's a habit, and he is driving to work now. It's current action. So I will continue in the meeting 6. We review about present progressive. So in this meeting, focus on the practicing and revising the present progressive tense. So we work on describing action happening at the moment. We writing sentence using I am, is, are, verb ing, and the negative question form. So for example, um, we make some example like they are doing their homework, she's not sleeping, are you studying English, like that. So I will continue in the meeting 7. We talk about present perfect and present perfect continuous. So we explored two important tense. Number one is present perfect tense. So present perfect tense is used for action that happened in the past but are still relevant now, and the exact time is not mentioned. So formula of the perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus verb 3. For example, I have finished my assignment. So for present perfect continuous tense, is used for action that start in the past and are still happening now. The formula of the perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has been plus verb ing. So for example, she has been studying for 2 hours. So I will continue in the meeting 8. It midterm exam. So this meeting was for the midterm exam. That students were tested on all the material study for week 1 to 7, including tense and sentence structure. So in the meeting 9, we doing the exercise. We practice exercise to improve our grammar understanding, like fill in the blank question, correcting sentence, and making sentence using different tense. So this exercise help reinforce what we've been learn and prepare us for more complex grammar rules. So in the meeting 10, we talk about future tense. It's like will versus going to. So in this meeting 10, we studied to common way to talk about the future, like will and going to. So will is used for instant decision. For example, like, I will help you, and it can use prediction like it will rain tomorrow. And for going to, it used for plain action. For example, like I'm going to visit my aunt next week. And it can attention like she's going to study medicine. So that we should remember, but from other correct, but they are used in the different situation. So in this meeting 11, we talk about modals. In this meeting, we learn about modal verbs. So what are modals? Modal are auxiliary verbs that give more meaning to the main verb. So they express ability, possibility, permission, obligation, advice, and more. So common modal verbs, it can, may, must, should, will, or will request. So for example, I can swim, it ability. May I use your phone? It's permission. You must do your homework. It's obligation. You should drink more water. It's a phase. And would you like something? It's polite. Over. So in conclusion, during this semester, we have explored various important topics in English grammar. We start with the basic like the simple present and move to the continuous tense like the present progressive, learn about past active action with the simple uh, past, and then study more advanced structure like the present perfect and future tense. So finally, we also learn about modal verbs, which help us express permission, ability, obligation, and more. So these grammar topics are essential for both writing and spoken English. So mastering them will help you communicate more clearly, confidently, and confidently. So encourage you to keep practicing by writing short text and doing grammar exercise and also speaking with your friends or classmates in the English. So don't be afraid to make mistake because mistakes are a part of learning. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. So I hope it was helpful and that you enjoy learning with me. So see you in the next lesson and keep learning and never give up. Thank you.